Okay, so I want to show you this Home Depot glitch, which has come up on Milwaukee Tools, specifically on the 4-tool combo kit. So guys like Toolhead 147 here, you should definitely check out his channel and subscribe to him because he goes in there all the time and does videos similar to me, but he goes in a lot more often too, I think. But they had reported yesterday a few different channels about this glitch. So I wanted to show it to you. And I'll put a link to it down below in the video description below for you so you can pull up the exact kit that I'm about to show you and the other freebie items that come along with it. And then also, if I can get it into the View Products button, which usually shows up down on the lower left of your screen on the computer, or sometimes the products will show up on the right side here too. And if you use any of our links to buy these tools, we'll get a small commission. So thank you for supporting our channel in that manner. So here's the first kit. And remember, I'll put the link down below for you. But this is the 4-tool combo kit from Milwaukee. And you'll notice, you'll look for this buy one, get one sign on here. So you can see it's saying that this 4-tool combo kit has a price of $5.99. And look at this, you're saving $600 off. So it's basically 50% off. Now it says free gift with purchase. So you're going to come right here and you're going to say shop this offer. And so here's your free gift. And this, of course, is the Forge battery. It's that big old powerful XC 8.0 amp hour battery. So we're going to select it, and you see how it populated it over here now. And we're going to add these to the cart. So see how you can see both of them right here. And then we're going to view cart. And then one of the things I want to point out to you is you may see the error. See how it says there's a problem with your cart? Please correct the errors. You always want to make sure when you're doing these buy one, get ones that everything is sourced the same way. So here we're going to choose delivery and delivery. I would not suggest trying to pick up in the store in case you have complications or they can't find it and then you're screwed and then you missed out on the time window here. So it said limited stock in the store I was going to go to anyway. So see how there's plenty online. So this is how you want to do it. So now when you see it in the cart here, you can see that the price of the 4-tool combo kit has now dropped from $5.99 down to $4.33, and then the battery is showing up as $165. So this is how they do it when they do a buy one, get one. So they're amortizing them, and this is good for people that want to do the hack, because when they break it up in the shopping cart into both items, whenever you see a buy one, get one free, that means one of them is returnable. And so this is how the hack works. When you hear about the hack, you go, what is the hack? Well, what some people do is they will then take this battery and see how it says 165.67. That's the max refund they will give you back if you return the battery. So some people will do this deal, return the battery, and that means that their average cost on this 4-tool combo kit was now $433 instead of having to shell out that full $5.99, because they're getting a partial refund on the deal by returning the battery. So that's how the hack works. I typically don't do this. If I'm going through all of this, I want the battery. So that's fine too. So if you want to keep the two. However, now take a look at this. So you can see you're saving $8.29 off of the cost, and you're 58% off of your item. So just pay attention to this number, and then pay attention to this number here. Now, what they are saying as part of the hack is because a lot of times they're limiting one per order. See, and that's of this kit. And sometimes online, it doesn't allow you to add more of these buy one, get one deals. So this is where I'm questioning, is it really a hack or isn't it? But it is still giving you a huge discount. So some of the guys were showing this circ saw. So the circ saw isn't on sale itself, it's $229, but if you get the free gift with purchase, which in this case is another one of these Forge batteries, because that's how this series of deals is working, you can select it now and you can add it to the cart. And let's go in and view the cart and see what we're getting here. Okay, and again, you have to realign all of the shipping. See this error we're getting? There's a problem with your cart. So you have to make sure they all say delivery. Because my store has the batteries, but they don't have necessarily all of the toolkits, which is why you have to do this as all delivery. And so now look what happens. is you can see the circular saw has dropped down to 147 from the 229 I just showed you. And now we have 2 batteries in the cart. You always want to double check the math and make sure you're getting everything you're supposed to get. And the batteries are dropping down to 147. And now you can see your 4-tool combo kit has now dropped to 385. So now it's almost 68% off. So just about 70% discount. And so when you look, and this is what I think at this point makes this such a great score, is you're getting $1,800 worth of tools here, $1,000 off. So you're at $827. And for $827, and those of you who know how expensive the Milwaukee platform is, you're getting 4 tools in here, plus 2 batteries in that kit. Plus you're getting the rolling Packout box, which by itself is a fortune in itself. Okay, and you're getting 2 of these Forge batteries. So you're getting 2 of Milwaukee's hugest batteries, and of course this, the circ saw. All of that for $827. So if you're looking to start a business, a contracting business or something, or you just need to get a whole bunch of new tools, this is a great way to score it. But wait, there's more. It gets even better. Because another thing I think you should take advantage of at this point right now is this supercharger. This right here is a simultaneous dual bay supercharger. This means you can take 2 of these Forge batteries, these massive batteries, stick them on this charger, and it will simultaneously supercharge both of these batteries. And buying this kit alone, the kit itself comes with a Forge battery, and it's already being discounted by 22% right now just because it's on sale. So this is a score that I think you should get anyway. So you get this score, right? But wait, there's more. So remember what I keep saying, these buy one, get ones? So this kit already comes with a battery, and now you're going to add another battery on here for free. So watch what happens now in your cart. So we're going to add it to the cart here, and I'm going to go in here and view my cart one more time. And again, make sure all your delivery methods are lined up. You're going to keep getting that error message. So again, I'm going to come over here and make sure that the charger is on delivery. Here you can see it says 1 in stock in the store. But my experience with Home Depot has always been whenever you see 3 or less in stock, it's not there when you get there. So make sure they all say delivery. You have to go down the line here and make sure they all say delivery. Okay. And by doing that, by aligning the delivery, you'll see it bumped up the count now of your free battery. So it's up to 3 now. So let's take stock of what we got. You have the circ saw here is down to 144. The simultaneous charger here is now down to 220 from the price that I just showed you before. So it's now 50% off. So it's amortizing everything because it's giving you these 3 batteries for free. Okay, so you got $433 in batteries, and now your 4-tool combo kit has now dropped down to $378. So is this a glitch? Well, it's certainly questionable whether it is or not, because it's doubtful whether it should be allowing all of these. But certainly you're not going to walk into your store, most of you, and find this deal, because I think this is an online only deal with the charger. And those of you who are collecting up these Forge batteries, you might as well collect up that Forge charger since it's on sale now anyway, and it's on sale with a buy one, get one in addition. So remember, the battery comes with it, and then you're getting a second battery for free. So buying this kit alone, you're going to walk out of here with 2 batteries. But buying this kit with the circ saw and with the 4-tool combo kit right here, you're walking out of here with 4 total Forge batteries, because you're getting 3 free plus the one that comes in that kit, and then you're getting 2 5-amp-hour batteries in your 4-tool combo kit. So you're walking out of here today with 6 total batteries and a Packout rolling kit and 4 incredible tools that you want, plus a charger and then a circ saw on top of that. So you are well on your way in business for $1,177. And again, let's say, okay, that's a little steep for me. What if I want to keep it under $1,100? So then you come back over here and you go, okay, let's say I don't need the charger. Maybe I've got other chargers, but they're just not dual bay rapid. So I'll remove the charger. and then you have to remove one of these batteries. Okay, make sure everything says delivery. Make sure they're all lined up. Make sure you can see exactly what you're supposed to get. The 4-tool combo kit, the saw, and 2 batteries. We're set. So that deal brings us now back down to that $827 that I showed you. So you're still saving 56% off of your items, which you hardly ever see on Milwaukee. And you're still getting your 4-tool combo kit for $385, which is about $200 cheaper than the original price that I showed it to you when we first put it into the cart. So this is how you do it, folks. And I would jump on this because who knows how long this is going to last. And then let's just remind ourselves what we're originally saving from. Because if I remove the circ saw, see how it jumps up to $433 for the cost of the 4-tool combo kit, but I also need to remove one of the batteries. So I'm back to where I started with the original buy one get one. So you're now down to $599. I would highly suggest you spend that extra $300 from this point and get that circ saw and get that battery. And this will work with any of the tools, I believe, that say buy one, get one from Milwaukee. There's only a few of them. And the way you find out which one it is you go to the batteries page and you shop the offer, and it will show you all of the other tools you can get here. So your articulated hedge trimmer. So you do have some OPE tools on here. You could get the grinder separately, but then again, why would you need that when you already have it in the 4-tool combo kit? So some of these other kits, it's like, okay, maybe you want the Sawzall because that's not in the 4-tool combo kit. Hey, maybe you want to get the bandsaw, or maybe you want the SDS rotary hammer. So this would be a great way to acquire some of these other tools. So anyway, I hope this helps you. Remember, I'll put the links to these down in the video description below, and wherever I can make it show up on the view products button here and make it show up, or on the right side of your video when you're looking at it. That will help you get to it quicker, and you can start populating your shopping cart. So hope this helps you, folks. And if you saved any money, if you took advantage of this deal, let us know in the comments below, and let us know what deal you got and how much you paid. That's very important for helping others as well. So thanks, folks, and have a great day, and we'll see all of you on the next one.